Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review of the same coin in effect. One is from Philadelphia Mint and one is from the Denver Mint. The only way you can tell is on the edge of these coins, and I'm not sure whether you'll be able to pick it up or not. The mint mark is actually on there. You'll have to believe me when I tell you that there is one Denver and one from Denver and one from Philadelphia. These coins, on the obverse side we have the $1 denomination, we have the lady with the lamp, or Liberty as she's known, and that's right, it's In God We Trust on that side, and Liberty and the $1 on this side of Liberty. The other coin is what this is all about. These are from the year 2000 and they're part of the $1 Innovation series. Now this particular two are from 2000, and I believe they've been doing coins every year or every 2 years about innovations that in America. And this one is shows you a rotary telephone dial. Each one of these innovation coins comes from a different state. The state on this particular coin is Massetchuess, and it is a rotary telephone dial. I think it was it 2020? Yeah, it came out, it wasn't 2000, sorry, this was 2020. I think it started in around about either 2016 or 2018. It shows about six different coins out, with both Massetchuess, with both Philadelphia and Denver mint marks. The mint marks are actually punched into the rim of the coin. They're not on either of the faces. This one, as I say, is Massetchuess, and it's celebrating the telephone, and this is a rotary dial telephone that we all used to have from the sort of 1920s onwards until around about 1970s, back into the 70s, early 80s, when we started getting the push button technology. I do like these coins, and I am looking, when I get a bit more money together, to sort of look at trying to get the rest of the series. At this moment in time, I've only have this one from this Innovation series. I do like it, and I would be looking at getting other coins in this series in the not too distant future, hopefully. Tell me, what do you think of them? Do you like them? Would you want them in as part of your collection? I think they're fascinating, and I do enjoy them, and I do like them. I do normally 5, but I have been doing 6 videos a week just recently. Hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? It will help the channel out immensely. Also, if you haven't yet done so and you believe I deserve it, could you also subscribe? Last year I set myself a target of 250 subscribers by the end of the year, and I exceeded that. And I've set myself a target this year of 425 by December the 31st, 2024. I hope to hit that figure, or more hopefully exceed it, and head towards 500. So if you can help me out, I'll be very grateful. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying for the whole video, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future. From me, thank you so much for staying, and until next time, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.